Nearly 117,000 people have recovered from COVID-19 in North Carolina. That is according to the Department of Health and Human Services.
But the medical professionals who treated some of those survivors are really worried about what the virus has left behind and how that could affect the health of those people in the future. Fox 8's Michael Hennessy explains.
We've already seen that surviving COVID-19 can be a battle, but doctors are starting to see long-term it could be more like a war.
The more the COVID is around, the more we're learning about it.
COVID-19 is a respiratory illness, so its effect on the lungs has been studied since day one, but experts are now looking into how the virus takes a toll on the heart.
Whether patients are critically ill or they have mild symptoms, long term it can have complications to the heart.
What they're already seeing is scarring and eventual weakening of the heart muscles, things called myocarditis and heart arrhythmias.
Inflammation of the heart muscle, dilatation of the arteries of the heart and the body, and eventually bad rhythms and bad heart muscle function.
If it's a temporary impact, some studies are showing effects can last 6 months, and this is regardless of age, even young children, and without symptoms.
Over term can basically what everybody knows as heart failure, which can lead to symptoms of shortness of breath, swelling in the legs, and ability to lay flat.
If you're in exceptional health, a world-class athlete even, it's purely a case-by-case basis, considering exercise and exertion means a rising heart rate.
A lot of athletes who tested positive for COVID, can they come back full course, or they need to take it easy for a little bit, and how long they have to take it easy for?
They're learning more every day. But the best advice they can give survivors at the moment, despite your symptoms, regardless of your age, is to get an echocardiogram, which is an ultrasound of the heart, within 6 months.
The more testing, the more we know about that virus and the complication that can happen.
Michael Hennessy, Fox 8 News.